Hello, this is a week of solo indie game dev progress. January 14th, Otok time. I looked at some castles. Ooh, very nice. Then I modeled a castle wall, then this one, after which making a spire, then made this market, and saw this picture, so I made these houses, then I made a bench, and then this castle gate thing, afterwards making this well, and I had the medieval building style for Otok. Created a medieval folder, put them in, and they were all nice and broken. I found this fix, and look at that difference. Then I made these new trees. I mean, just look at those trees. Adjusted the height, and the trees were now on the ground. January 15th. I did a little coding, added code for randomly picking the secondary tree color, then coded for the style to be randomly selected, then implemented the use of the style, put all the objects into the medieval object array. Forgot this. 1 style, 2 style, purple grass map. Size. I started coding to do rotations, then coded a slow zoom at the start of the game, added these text boxes, created an animation for the text, coded in some stuff to change the text, and look at that text. Got the camera zoom to slightly work rotation. Then coded smooth rotation. It worked for 1, 2, 3 rotations, and after 2 hours I fixed it. I then coded to spawn the islands tile by tile, worked perfectly, worked a little bit better, there we go. Added a next island button, made the island start rotating when filled up, which worked as intended. Added this code to fix it, there we go. Added this raw image for the iOS version, and had it follow the mouse position. Then had a zoomed in camera show the selected grid square, added some of these to separate the different versions, added a button to handle rotations on the iOS version, then made the island snap to a corner when generating the next island. January 16th. I made a shrink animation for the text, coded it in, look at it, open up the icon generator, put in the icon, generated the icons, added in the icon folder, build, threw it into Google Drive, archived it in Xcode, upload to the App Store, Otok available on iOS and itch.io, shrimp game time, coded some stuff to reset this drop-down list on Prestige, spent some time optimizing the code, much better, built the update, zip it up, put it into Google Drive, archive it, upload it, add for review, submit it. January 17th. Edited this TikTok, Entomophobia time, added spawn points, created a script, added this variable, added the script to the spawn point game object, added the points to the array, wrote code to randomize the character's spawn position. Look at those spawns. Then I made the objects in the warehouse look more warehousey, added code for concrete footsteps if you were in the barns. Listen to those sounds. Absolutely beautiful, built for iOS, then itch.io, and finally Steam. Archived the iOS version, uploaded it, and submitted it. Created these assets, and Entomophobia version 0.45 is available on Steam, itch.io, and iOS. January 18th. Back to Otok. Created this seagull animation, put this sprite sheet into Unity, created a particle system, made it do this. Created these particle sprites, added them into Unity, put them into the particle system, gave them shadows, then did some code, and made them spawn when a building is placed. They worked sort of, looks better, added colliders, very nice, made them much smaller. Archived the iOS version, uploaded it, and submitted it. January 19th. Dirt Simulator 2023 time. Added this code. Added code to make the tapping be much better over time. Put in a slider, added text, then edited a TikTok. Added some variables to a script. Coded some more. Look at those levels. Save them variables. Add an information button in the corner. Added some text boxes. Did some more code. Very nice. Increased the size of the number. Looks good. Built the update. Archive. Upload. Add for review, submit. If you want to be shown as a supporter right here at the end, you can become a patron or monthly Ko-Fi supporter. Okay, goodbye.